If you're listening to me right now, are you ready to learn how to get your time back? Maybe you're looking at your life and thinking, oh my God, where has the time gone? Can you think about all the experiences you missed out because you were working at a job and didn't have enough money to travel and make those memories? You've decided that 2024 is the year for you to learn new skills and branch into the digital marketing world. Imagine if you could learn how to work only 2 hours a day, fire your boss, and gain skills to earn $600 a day. Let me ask you this. Will that give you more time to pursue your passions? Will that give you the ability to make up for all the lost opportunities and experiences you missed because you were tied to a job? No matter your situation, there is never a time when you can have enough freedom to live life on your own terms. Ready to take your first step towards your dream life? Type "I'm ready" in the comments.